Alright guys, today's video is a first look at some Olsa tools. In this particular instance, a two-piece set, the indexing pry bar set. And alright, so what's going on with this is Olsa Tools contacted me a couple weeks ago, asked me if I'd be interested in doing something like this. And after checking out their tools on their website, I watched a couple videos on YouTube. It looks like they have some pretty good stuff there. So I responded back and said, sure, let's do something here. So this is what they sent me out to do a review on, a video on. And just letting you know that I'm gonna be including a link in the description below. You click on that link, it'll take you to the Olsa Tools website, and you can get 10% off your order, and it also kicks me back a percentage off too. But all right, with that, let's open it up. All right, there it is. All right, before I throw this box away, I'm gonna show you what's it, all the information and stuff. All right, so this set includes a 10-inch indexing pry bar and a 20-inch indexing pry bar. Locking index head, 180-degree head rotation, chrome vanadium steel. Flip it around here, same thing, different language. Here we go. So it is made in Taiwan. So, all right. Let's check these out here. This is the 10-inch one. All right, so as you guys may know out there, I have a different brand name, a three-piece set that I got a couple months ago. And I'm really curious to see how these stack up against those. I'm going to be doing a video soon after this, doing a direct comparison between these and that other brand name that I have. So, but yeah, first impressions, it looks solid. It's a nice solid click, nice solid engagement. Yeah, it's all right. All right, so there's that one. Then there's the 20-inch one. Well, that has some heft to it there. Yeah. So far, so good. Feels like a solid tool. I'm looking forward to using them, but also to comparing them to that other brand that I have. But yeah, so it looks good. But all right, so there it is. There's their index and pry bar set. From what I can see, it looks well made. It's definitely something that I would have. I will say that before they sent me these, the other set that I have used those countless times already, just around the home shop. It is so convenient, so versatile and useful, that indexing head right there. So, all right, with that, tell me what you guys think. If you have some Olsa tools out there, more specifically these indexing pry bars, let me know how they've held up for you and what you guys think of Olsa tools. But either way, like the video, subscribe to my channel. Catch you guys later.